In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to your Shopify product page. This highly valuable integration helps provide your customers with more flexible payment options, making your online store even more attractive to potential buyers. Let's dive in and explore each step involved in ensuring a smooth and efficient process for integrating Afterpay into your Shopify store. Firstly, it's important to ensure your Shopify account has been set up correctly and that you have access to your store's backend. You'll need to log into your Shopify account, so if you haven't done that yet, take a moment to do so. Once you've entered your dashboard, head over to the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can be integrated into your Shopify store. Next, we're going to find the Afterpay app. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button, which will take you directly to the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Afterpay and press Enter. The search results will display the Afterpay app, which you can click on to explore more about the features and benefits it offers. Look for the Install button and click to begin the integration process. Once installed, it's crucial to configure Afterpay according to your store's requirements. Head back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings, followed by Payments. Here you'll see a variety of payment methods available, and you should now find Afterpay as an option. Select Afterpay and configure it to align with your business needs, ensuring that you go through each available option carefully to understand how it functions. After going through all the payment settings, it's time to implement the Afterpay messaging on your product pages, as visibility is key to encouraging your customers to use it. You'll want to navigate back to the Shopify dashboard, then access Themes under the Online Store section. Click Customize in the theme you are currently using. It's at this point where some basic coding skills may be needed, so don't worry just yet if you're not familiar with this part. Locate the Edit Code option in your theme editor. Look for your product page template and locate the section of the code where you wish to display the Afterpay messaging, usually near the product price or Add to Cart button. Insert the Afterpay HTML code snippet provided by Afterpay, making sure to paste it in the right spot within the code. It's crucial to save your changes before exiting to ensure everything displays correctly on your live site. Finally, go back to your Shopify store's product pages to see the changes in action. You should see the Afterpay messaging now visible. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Afterpay with your Shopify product page. Your customers can now enjoy the benefits of flexible payment options, potentially increasing your sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.